And remember I said the carpet guy was going to come here. He's going to fix the stairs. He's also going to fix some stuff downstairs. Well, here's a couple other spots I'm going to have him take care of. Is you see at the entrance of this study, see the carpet edge? I'm trying to get down here on my hands and knees. See this bulge right here? I push it and it looks a little loose, a little bulgy right there. And as you come in, it just looks like the carpet. See how high it is right there? Looks like the carpet should be about that high, but then it dips up and then it dips back down, flush with the floor. That's because I think this carpet needs landscaper guys over here. That's why the carpet needs to be restretched in here. And so I'm gonna have him pull this up right at the face, and then he might use his power stretcher in here, but more than likely he's going to, he might use his knee kicker right in here. He's gonna lift that up. He's probably gonna stretch it and tighten it back down and recreate that edge, cut that off. That's something I want you to see, because if you got any places like that in your house, chances are you might think you can't fix it. Well, maybe you can. You don't have to. If you don't have a power stretcher, which I'm sure you won't, or if you don't have a knee kicker, which I'm sure most people probably don't, you can rent a knee kicker. I know you can rent one of those. I don't know about the power stretcher, but for the knee kicker, I'm sure you can rent that at a store. Maybe rent it for 15 bucks a day, 20 bucks a day, and fix it. See how this one, because I'm having them do the study, this is in the master bedroom, this one kind of has the same type of puckering effect. As you look at it, so it's kind of raised up, it's raised up there a little bit. And see, as I push that, I can kind of see that it's just up a little bit high there. See that? And I don't think that when he pulls this up, I don't think they have two pieces of pad here. And he said they could have taken the pad. Usually there's tack strip along here, and then the pad cuts up against the tack strip, or a little bit before the tack strip, next to the tack strip. And he's thinking maybe they rolled the pad over the tack strip for some unknown reason. I don't think they would do that, because then how could they hold the carpet? Or maybe just a little bit of the tack strip is covered with the carpet pad and then it dips down. I don't know. So he's going to pull that up. I'm going to take a look at that. But my guess is he's going to have to stretch this just a bit, and he'll have to pull this out here, lift this up, stretch this. I'm thinking he might stretch it, and there might be 3/8, half inch, maybe not that much, maybe 3/8 of an inch of carpet that he may have to trim along there or something and get that fixed. If it was just that, I probably would just leave it. But see how this one's more defined? This is, see how big that is? Look at that. See? You can see from right there, something is going on along that. And because I'm going to have him pull that one up, I'm going to have him do this one over here too. And see, just to do these two and to do the stairs was 200 bucks. But doing that big room downstairs is 200 bucks by itself, so that's 400 bucks. If you didn't have that big room, which most people don't have a big room, if you got just a couple door openings, you got all those steps, that's 200 bucks. Hey, 200 bucks is 200 bucks. Maybe you can just rent a knee kicker and do it yourself and save that 200 bucks. Well, minus the rental, it might be 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks for the knee kicker for all day or something. Let's say maybe that's all it costs you is 20 bucks. Wouldn't you rather keep that 180 bucks in your pocket if you could? And it would give you some incentive to know that, hey, maybe some of these things I can do that Joe has on his channel, and I can save even more money by doing other things. In fact, what other types of things does Joe have on his channel to where maybe I can fix those things on my own? That's what my channel is all about. You being able to do certain things. Hey, I'm just an average Joe. If I can do it, or if I can show you how to do it, maybe you can do it too and save that money. Okay? Another reason why I'm having the carpet guy do this one is so that hopefully I can video him on these. I'm sure he's not going to have an issue with it. and we'll see what's going on. Maybe you can save some money on your carpet re-stretch. I think that was it. See, I'm looking at this carpet over here. This carpet's fine on that edge. This carpet does not need to be re-stretched. If that just needed to be re-stretched in a couple areas, once you see how he takes certain things out, and if you need to re-stretch one little area, let's say you need to stretch an area over in the corner. Well, now once you take a look at seeing how he's going to do this over here and how he's going to do things on the stairs, you can say, hey, you know what? Even though I don't have some stairs, I think I can use the same technique to fix this corner over here, if that's where your problem is. Or maybe your problem is all along one edge somewhere, or over here by the windows or something. You know? Have an open mind and keep these things in place. Keep my channel visible for you so that you can keep checking out my videos, because I know you want to save money just like I do. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.